for a higher GC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot. Akwa Aremeyaw bro. Now sana something na abebaro. So we subscribe ya. Bomodi say over subscribe. Now while I give video, don't give us a thumbs up. Not fee. Share na wo fufrosu na we be here na wo and someone ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanom afi yem hwe eye en someone abeto yepono so yenti eye samkomu eye sansemo ya ba beto ya moma yenti dia ekoso yenti nsemo
na de papa kaye no akoko aboye yeru akofo se de wa ba bontina ba beka ye enye enwanwa obia wonim de na ekoso NPP mu bia no enim se NPP agu Medican catch us say NPP shall say free parliament. Yeru Afenyo Markin Kofuor say me penasem. Me catch us say the way we see shots no obegu party no. Me catch us say Yeru Afenyo Markin ne anodom premu ne the kind of leaders are NPP for enyomo ewo parliament no party no anya kono bim aye buga enye de osei mensamu ede tu ho ni bi enye MPP na JH mensamu ene hakma owusu agimamu ene mpanyifo alan Kojo Kyeremanteng ene impo na Akufo Addo mu ewo parliament no enye sa MPP wem ne enye mu nanso MPP for kofa Yeru Afenyo Markins me penasem pa as a member of parliament because in the constituency obon homoden pa openi pasem Obrene who ase pa, but obey a leader as a minority leader of parliament MPP no, wagu MPP no, MPP nya kono biem. Na MPP for etimi tu akonya. Push no mo kontokwa. Na krache for a mo members of parliament wo MPP mu no mo nso to tu nkonya. Na no don prenso kansem hunu. That silly MP. Mochi ononso edia baby a samo ko hu se NDC ni MPP ni ku a koka MPP ni ne ho na bo NDC no member of parliament or MPP ni no so ka silly things in some hunu no so ka bi en she riot fan ye catch us say MPP agu. Do you know why? And I said say right now MPP ni say me na me nia ne Justin Kodia executive say when people nyina was mo pam obia se mo pese mo party ni ya akono a mamu nyi ba ku mfrim me se mia na menia ne Justin Kodua me campaign ma no me kan sem trofo na ye campaign ma JFK no but me say from top to down e was MPP sisa obia fi ho eni kwan se baako kraka baako eka se mo pese mo party ni akono a the second thing ni say e was a parliament house no Yeru Afenyo Markin ni adondom premu nyina was stop amu omu nyina firi ho because omu ma party no esenke further because ansem na Yeru Akufo ka no edem but say do time e was ode ba bontene ensem a okay say oni papa edim koma enioma ha no but no ye panyi me ka kire wo ha say MPP na ye Kufuor enye na Akufo Addo Eyo mampanyin Kufuor ne ma MPP ye akono ye mu bia ye to man president Kufuor no ye ni gi because papa na nguye ni ma ase ye mu bia ye support president Kufuor no de bia ye me dese mitimi tu bi sa amna mitimi tu bi ma president Kufuor because papa no enyuma wo be ye no no one nanso ne economy was one of the best ye for statistics kakramra Besha Yera on mampanyin Kufuor ne legacy of the two ho. Na Kufuor do abe gu party no eno asa sesa party no asa no party no ena moda so. Nipa ba ko buy a whole big party. No agye party na boso. Eno asa na no yi ne nkrofo no mu say party na de bio mu say party no. Ama se minia na bi mu ni JFK mu emu na age party na boss ama Yeru Kufuor wa sha se kasa en she riot fan bra Facebook na be ha de Yeru Kufuor edienie Beshe statistics, mature statistics that on mampanyin Kufuor, the government was one of the best. one of the best in the Fourth Republic. The governance, we made the data natural. His governance was one of the best in Ghana. Now, dear Facebook never heard there. Over Facebook, you the Bediatuo. Now, you the green and you the red at all. Now, we ye champ for me because he did in a year Afro barometer. And I know person mu share President Bia ni de na nipa huno. Na me tira wo omampanyin Kufuor de no nkoa. The other ones ni nyina amfa. Enti me tira omampanyin Kufuor de na Ghana fo susu fa ne ho. Based on data nya de me ameka. This was the legacy of President Kufuor. Obaye ne marks are or the shas no obewie no anya marks more based on data. You didn't check mummy.
Well, Nana, Afro barometer ya Kweku Annan na mo research into we anya Kojo Kyeremanteng FM research we Afro barometer. Nana say no mo che o mbeso mo say question mo busa nkrofo no. And say, do you approve or disapprove of the way that the following people have performed their jobs over the past 12 years, or haven't you heard enough about them to say the president? And then I know as a president and on the modern what saying. Nana question in any and almost said the president's performance. Nana president go for about 2002, no, so by 2000,
yeah,
by 2002, I'm here research and now approval ratings of the president is 74%. Next we need partner at least 7 days. Almost a president yeah there. That is positive change phase 1. Nana Obeko 2008 no, na 78. Next almost 8 out of 10. Nana time I obe free sumuno. That is why I can say Kufuor one of the best among 20 years and data. Nana means me from Argentina. Social approval rate is over 78. And an national Canadian increase share or chart near green. Who's a cost rosa
green in ye?
Yes,
Mr. Brown Facebook never should
cost rosa 74, 76, 78. A cost rosa. Banana Osha will be about John Mahama 2012 na approval rate is 59. 2014 or DB free to 2016 about 37.
John Mahama. They said they Ghana for who John Mahama.
Yes. Akufo Addo be fan 70s as dance na he. Even Akufo Addo the first approval ratings as far as the 70s is now yes in Kufuor 74. But all free so no 2022 or the be free 2024 na 30%.
O say we in still 30%.
Yes. So he lost almost 46%. But Kufuor gained 4% more.
Actually say mo na moti data ase.
Na actually say Kufuor time no na ye. Na me say I say Jeff Mpema me. A first should be Institution of Social and Statistical Research University of Ghana.
Yeah.
The time Ghana had the best economy 2006, 2007, 2011. Na me Fourth Republic Kufuor, Mills, Rawlings. Those are my top 3, not in any particular order per se. Data, me pay data nama I say. Nana approval rate is no munya and see that. It's the best.
Kufuor no?
Yes. It's the best. He has the best approval of any president in Afro barometer history. Afro barometer research on my the president award the best President Kufuor. It's fact. Now in fact data no more can I say my payments is here. The best economies are Ghana a record there when it comes to the state of the economy. I under Kufuor enemies. Ghana web na yes article no me pay the amount is here nana nuni or say Ghana's best economy in 2006, 2008 and 2011. This is the research. Obi a bit me, obi a person kenkan be a bit me a kenkan sa research no. But when I see the issue about Rawlings, I be a can say amount for Rawlings them no here na most fundamental. Because he has started the Fourth Republican dispensation for not only the GS get fund. Sana man fundamental. But nana opo be a champion social interventions. The NDC cannot even match MPP when it comes to social intervention because nana yeah conform here but say social intervention say ya dey kwaja to our direct into leap free maternal health care. Nana what I say F cube. But Rawlings instituted institutions are facilitating sa de enemy be mu. Nana say FQ no constitution him.
Yeah.
But Kufuor the ben ensure say FQ was achieved.
Yeah.
And Nana enu ni article ni ni. Me dey amaje for the better so ma kama or say. This article say analyzing Ghana's economy over the last 20 years. And an article where dated 26 May 2016.
Right.
26 May 20 say analyzing Ghana's economy over the last 20 years, 1996 to date, the years 2006, 2007, 2008 and 2011 are arguably the periods the Ghanaian economy performed very well, according to selected economic indicators compiled by the Institute of Statistical, Social and Economic Research. And almost say, almost Ghana economy over the last 20 years, from 1996 to but data no edumie from 1996 to 2016 or 2016 so 20 years 2006 2007 2008 and 2011 and I the best nana ti na say time 2016 mama be 4 years old by Yamo 2012 Yamo 2013 Yamo 2014 Yamo 2015 Yamo 2016 that is why for me Don Mahama second time me say nana was sure bibi or first time na ho nana economic indicators some here na almost say almost for inflation nana twade almost say comparing interest rates Ghana's economy recorded the lowest interest rate of 23.75% in its history in the year 2007.
Kufuor there no.
Nana Kufuor time we recorded the lowest interest rates at time at 23.75%. Whilst 24.25%, 25.02% and 26.95% were recorded in 2006, 2008 and 2011. So according to institution and significant is University of Ghana, research na do na.
Yeah.
The best interest rate recorded in ASR 4 years we 206, 207, 208 and 29. Satan a mass no kutifiano aba. Nana unhia besia. Bese obetra wadwumam. Sa time na. Na economy ne ye. Nana sa time so na Mills. Nana answer currently as we speak. The best single digit inflation recorded in the longest Mills.
Yeah.
2011 under Koomson as finance minister.
Yeah.
So Nana the records are there. Nana again almost say with regards to average inflation. The economy recorded rate of 10.9, 10.7 and 8.58 in 2006, 2007 and 2011 respectively. In December 2015, the inflation rate was 17.7%. It's Mahama best. Time of my research is 17.7%. But Kufuor was my recording 10.9, 10.7, 8.58%. So now this is it. This is the data. So Kufuor stands out.
So what happens when Afedie Papa Kufuor say Addo on capacity?
Nana mamema baako.
Yeah.
GDP economy no 6.2, 6.5, 14.4. Nana without oil. Yen can who say without oil. 206, 207, 2011. And I can remember about them say Mills is one of my best presidents in the fourth. Nana the time man for blame him. Ko yanken kan Mills nana economic growth no nana without oil. Akufo Addo ne Mahamadu Bawumia na with oil. Kufuor na without oil. 6.2, 6.5 and a 14.4. These are remarkable leaders. Na ntina nipa bebre sen ka Mills tena wan ke economy no ebeko yie. Kobeto Kufuor ye no so Mahama's phase 1 was a disaster. But every data ni be na that phase.
And no ya na Gen Z for ni be shed and tiase. Yeah. Hu say and hu say John Mahama ye bofo a na no no na enye eno akwa akosua de. Nti say eni abra na e ka che ni say bibia timisi. So we reset here, you don't go back.
Yes.
Now to the level where President Kufuor is not being recognized. What does it mean quickly then?
Nana, the impact is that Nana say we dey enye one. The NPP has lost leadership. Saturday na akoko eka fifi kwete ka say Nana he. What say NPP NDC o. Enya DSS so enya de papa. Akwa meboa. What say enya DSS Nana benya NPP ni obe defend. Nana when you beat say Kufuor. Nana Kufuor ne height na enya Ghana nko ahun. And Nana the NPP is even lucky. Na NDC omuni any surviving vice president meboa no surviving omuni no surviving vice president emisa tewu Mills ewu omuni any surviving former president Mills ewu Rollins ewu NPP Kufuor omwe Akufo Addo Aluma ama na eko So the NPP can put party be a institutional memory. In Pennyfo, on my casa, and on a pregnant Kufuor Casa. Nana say for let's catch for to can interview be. He eulogized Kufuor. Nana, this is a politics. He is a remarkable leader. Nana, I was now, what's in the audio? Nano, Obedi, the teams are not in the 20s. In the 60s. Uncle Food, I don't know account, Papa Kufuor, I am consort.
Yeah.
And they say, boys, Yanum consortium. Boys, Yanum consortium. Look at the executives. Maybe we know the research and I say, okay, we elected your executives now.
Yeah.
We compared head to head together at the NDC executives, and we told them they didn't have experience. And anonym, the NPP is at a state and almost some intellectual analysis. What do you study?
NPP phone.
Nana video upustia udio behu. NDC phone being so was but omono. They have the knack say, oh, Eugene, Obedu attempt the banana, bet him so cast, oh, I didn't know canampa. Guanana, I say naturally data. Me data. Nana don't try to do the body teams for a best a data. Say, offer for barometer, the best president of the Fourth Republic is Kufuor. Who opinion and family, a data namade casa. Almost the best economy, I say 2006, 2007, 2011. A data, Nana Meboa. Yeah. Omuba in short, Nana Henry Musadankwa. You may not disagree. Nana Musa and Codet and Nana, they tell them, you disagree. Banana near dinner tem. Near dinner tem. And Nana, I saw spectacle when people are bedroom. They need to sit back and Nana bring these men to the table. Because Nana heard her Ablekuma Saturday went to me and my confusion is CA. National Executive Council say election, Yanko. Nana election almost say young corner. Banana presidential candidate that me and who Kwaku campaign. 8 years come a candidate. No. What is this confusion about? So you ask yourself what went into the decision to arrive say young Kotwabano. Nana me can't say it tells you lack of leadership. Nana ye Kotwaba 2024. Mame nya kokwa ye research and na social media. Party ni nya kono. There's something about it among pay. They need to set up. Nana and it's shocking because Nana me I grew up. They be as meka 2006 and I made the politics that chino. Politics party and I do me con. And I NPP because we intellectual base of the party. And I don't the party name any idea. But all of a sudden, you know, as a question, Nana okay bibia they don't listen. They don't like Nana as a view be an Nana look at how they teach university professors. Obi share view nan kope or NDC. Look at the way treaty professor is Kwesi Prempe. Look at the likes they treat Kweku Annan. Nana, people who have nothing to their names. They have nothing to their names. Otimi traffic who dini panatem. And Kufuor can yan consult because I don't say I'm Kwakokrawa. Ni obeka no. Omfa then yan kokra. Nana Nancy Omolanchi ideology school. No. So as my pastor for yan Kufuor kachere Kufuor or kachere mo. Was a power can trick you. Nana power and trick NPP. Omo ye part to mutu afutu and go munu. Nana ni unu surprising. Unza Kufuor the buy unza my edi. Come abema ko better sounds.
Come dinner tem.
But position to as a crab camera home brasi bi. Me remember I'm catching on for Papa Kufuor the 85 years Ado Kufuor. San Kufuor na no mistake when people me den. And na Kennedy Agyapong kan. Na mo ko New Job in South Abifra. Onabo ya bema otiase wu. But we ko Kufuor the politics mun on fan hu bi. San Kufuor na they need to bring them back.
Na adenti na mo mpese mo beti ase se eye Akufo Addo na amasa DNC. As a ye can ye ka fa ho but we all knew say Akufo Addo no mfa Kufuor nyoma kra nya hwe ye nim. Sa issue we na ye nim say Akufo Addo ono na no take part no. Akufo Addo ama Stephen Team as a chairman anya hwe. Na operate ne headquarters of NPP ni free ni Jubilee House. Ye ya we nti adenti na say ye can na ye yi na film say Nana we nim so ono na ama party.
Nana me yi nim fi ba nana ne o kana I ma me join the studio ni say them people need to go back to the model Akufo the rule here. the model or the ruler, you know. And I see Kufuor time no misade because me share from 2007 but now you can see say there was a clear authority bi papa bia nanimu nyam papa bia sabio nsemfun timi nko nanimu saa and eso munya saa de no and nana they also need to get national executives nana omo suggestions bibia kwa sabio ebuo bi anana regard ye de mom no eya sunku bi anana hwasa regional chairman eso on kasa yi party a friend what me issue public statement say menko nyamu pa bi amonye
abronye
nana eye weird and na bebu say regional chairman no e form for na e won ase no se panini na eye say ya na form wo for no no be ye nana enye Kufuor Addo nko a something about the party a asesa because nana ye wade there's another down to afrem say member na ne down to pino pa bi awonye nana eye weird now, say no because me say luckily say no yet this I think Opoman or say another and this in pen for customer hardly pass obe nyu obi a obete ne ho saa
yeah omudi
hardly
I say don't get ya kan bibia
hardly so obe nyu obi a so obete ne ho saa but the NPP a nana he I just of them ka say nye yie abro nyom ne ka say nye yie JFK kasem omumfi na now them say Ablekuma neck na me hwe join news deputy secretary no o say election NPP and contest you ba na get no ballot ne so no polling station am ye koburu bi mu kan ho so bebu say so what's the confusion about that is it is beyond the Kufuor Addo bibia sesa o party ni ho a say da no mko abisa sesa na mka no so mbetima kwa bisa bi o mko bisa nko se mo sheberem
say obekai last week me no kasa o kasa fidie no so ama Metri mo say the new patriotic party enya dia Ablekuma North no National Executive Committee adia tum say yebeko enti National Executive Committee diet from the ama and they say yonko na ebeka be 24 hours to no the who say ye party yeah Emma, you who say party MPs need be any or more dream said that she be able to frank my party no. Also say be a contribution at the Boano and maybe so call. Na Nina no idea party no neck and then National Council and then NJ Sanama Sani Power 2 year. Nina say
money anyu.
Nina say Sebi, party no your structures are yedi adwuma. Na ekuo bia no semra anya adwuma. Ema ekuo no ne kanko enko yisa. Enti di time no neck and then National Council and then National Council be meeting. Ewo Ablekuma North ho ensem. Na assembly your kafa ho say National Executive Committee take decision. Na nipani bi say o modify sa decision na National Executive Committee no etekiye na yakan wasem every say pan obekaya last week no basma me no kan ye ene nkoma me no di ne say NPP party ye share your collated results any figures here
na general ansa na abeto aso no una wo ka contribution ka nipa ko no na wo ka contribution bi nipa ne ye ya enamra kwan so sa ka wo person ye contribution ma a candidate ya ya na ka nipa ko on famfa he
but also say there
na bia me pansa bia ka run of the 19 polling station no wo person ye contribution ma candidate na sa na ka he na wo de befa according to
party first and foremost say young kwa pension
yes
the young kwa pension ya any kwase contribution bi aba
yes okay
na party ni na yeka say na ka take decision na say bi eyo de say nyo de now be define neck decision ateki now kasa on your own e bi kasa radio so e kasa tia neck e bi kasa radio so e twa na mon bi ase bi undermine neck e National Council be kan ho asem and na make ka ba bi we say baby impenifu a omo National Executive Committee impenifu omo nimiti se kwa me ka se me kan composition a Sebi Bakanwa Sama, former president for former flag bearers, former running mates, national officers, former general secretary, former national chairman, parliament, or more reps in Akahon. Before Sebi Penifobia to Jarabi said, Ebia and among saying you to know. Now, family meetings across some discussions across some. Sebi Empo, I dream you cry and if I be war officers, your cocrano. Now we cry from one. Our National Executive Committee, I'm a penify when you know who said, "Oh, Sebi, baby, a party nigina, any evidence you any anomaly you to now. Sebi, a person near Faswa, a bebwa. Now, Kwame Sebi, more a desperate group of companies, some more management, me boy.
And your management.
Now, be a management, yeah, on my yard.
Debbie.
As also a number from your management, almost Shamra, wounded.
Midi super pepe.
Aha, and it's a no marriage and the National Council ever can watch them. Now, we are no free, I said, we will say, ma about Franim Quabonti, in Kudiagro, and about Fana Quabonti, and our Quapanto Quanaso will be Aquacan to call in. Wouldn't I say, oh, Janessa? It's your party football brew, said the moon say, Yama may a fee or Moya campaign, and almost could be a chibi. Ama said no mere course na NDC are buying our police for a war. Na said to trust them ye prank or forward by elections on the park polling station 19 pe. That's our normal real course na central for Kwame be who Ghana. Said it's a shame for our democracy at this time. Na no mere course about to said will be question Adrian. Na ya Adrian said there be ye bonko for a bit prank or for. Now, Busan will say that no man course to a police for years high, not NDC for Eddie Machuma for and nam not Sebi or more dear to trust him. And the National Council NPP here, you can watch him. Now Sebi party in official position the one, you can watch him near Queen and no more you be to a phone in Ano, and then Kwame meeting now, you can watch him. And Ablekuma not for the said them can meet me in conversing with you if you say. And the National Council is the second high decision-making body of the party. Ebisia na esi hu dan ne aka ho asemi
yo na ba kwa ya tie ne se mampani dada Kufuor papa kasa na de oye ne se party no mo sideline no e wo niema bebre mu minim se wate na ugi ne sei
Kwame Sebi ye nyina nim se NPP party no yo bo sonko pa e no do sonko e ma o mampani dada Kufuor. Now, Kwame, we share video Babontin, na say Ababontin. Why do you say be a share be interview no and you be crana a quay? Kwame, that's an award you.
I.
Question now, Obia Bubusa said, say, why the video at this time? As some else will be able to say, why this video at this time? And I'll show video now. You can clearly tell, say, the PBI video now. Or to achieve some individual parochial interest. Now, as national leadership of the party, maybe you boy Roma Kufuor and no die Roma Kufuor. Now, your patriotic institute, your launching. On my Kufuor baby, me boy.
Oh, baby, yes.
Yes. That video was even done before, say, Kufuor Eba Patriotic Institute launch. And then I said, Kufuor Ba, Sa Patriotic Institute. And
now, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia as flag bearer of NPP 2024. No, so now I see a can who was him.
Sir, I'm a part by former national officers in Kufuor town. Now, Kufuor Addo Hakobe, but there's no 10 in the at the NPP, a bobia, say, Yadima Kufuor Bia, near dry or money beyond your there's a nipebina, almost per se, Sebi, and Comobia wood, you know, you're twisted near the measure will be interest to a person way. Sebi, Kwame, what's your NPP, your constitution?
General, sa interest, no, or person, your date, just me move how
Kwame, say, I am my assembly.
Annie,
me, Macase. General Secretary made me mechanical debia. It does not matter, say, maybe a that be make contest or semi contest, but no pretty year. Nipa, be the request about. Say, Nyameboa delegate conference beba so Saturday memory day ebisisi yentu nseda ana ebisuso kaso debi ebi ntiase enti consultation nkome ekoso nyina no people will want to say oh you Akufo me no kase woni ha you Akufo Addo ni ha enti nkofo kwa the request about oh ebi omuni ha kwanti postpone this conference nyina. So in order to for sa nkomo na ekoso nyina no ana nipa ni bi obidi do bi abeda for mischievous purpose. Because sabi NPP meetings be no. Ira Kufuor is be omobuano when him edu sapon. Ani and about Rabba could be a friend Araba. Sabi meetings be ni ye be biano. Stamping fui and they did notice in Momo. And Momo acknowledge some Pomosaka, a boom so papa so member. But there yet BBC said Patriotic Institute no maybe a band. It said that for special reasons. Because it be a person kasa, it be a person be being a question. And at all times the BIS said be your papa communication be a bian, ye at the manor. And to me the reason I say Adrian and Pebiafa on better at this material time no. On better mo yes sebi and Tawantabi Kwada NPP any era former president and them. I be sasu eno. And tia nene in our national council be share ye be kan wasem. Ti kwame na de tie no.
Yo ne kwakra mu na akwatia mu ye ne ho den.
Oh, e be kopa. Sebi dia oye na tui ene asempama NPP party no. Sebi nya ya dance on da sebi BCBC neso so de bia meka na me ne me asem. E dia tui esa no neso so meet na national council be no. Ye be ka akotia wasem, but I can assure you say ye be boabo en hu ye pa akwa elections no.
Matis yes conference date mbasa msana delegates congress the eba
kwame ene ye request every the people was say on person national council yehwe and ni na ye meeting no national council ebe hwe ni na na yeti sema nkofo dia beto manum ni na na ya de akire say NPP a party ya accommodative diverse ideas and opinions or maybe the request ba ye mbontonkune ye beti asini yeti we are National Council now know to me because no one they say date no. They do the National Council can say ABCD, say yes, yeah. And then they be yejuma. And then my party, near party, the NPP party. If you do, say because Mamma Kebo Chewa no be actual. Yes, you now Kwame Signa ya. Not they don't make any be yejuma.
Ane nobody be yejuma. But a bit more secrecy. They are requesting to Amudi Banese. Former President Biodini now than Akufo Addo and I was said okay Sabari Majoji Kufuor wonu su eniha nti ka ada na mo ntwa mo mo emma
Kwame say o say request enti the big national council
okay
the national council here we are the ABCBA no meba bonti abaka the national council there Arisama or Mano Semebeka.
Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to share to all platforms. I'll see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.